In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cash out your Coinbase account. This process is simple and straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly what steps to take to transfer your cryptocurrency into your bank account or preferred payment method. First, you'll need to log into Coinbase. If you're not already signed in, open the Coinbase app or go to their website and log in with your credentials. If you face any issues logging in, make sure you have your two-factor authentication ready, as this adds an additional layer of security to your transactions. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Assets or Portfolio section. Think of this as your personal financial dashboard where all your cryptocurrencies and balances are displayed. Here you can see the financial picture of all the cryptos you hold, which is essential for managing and planning your transactions. Now, choose the specific cryptocurrency that you want to cash out. Take your time to review your holdings in different coins. Once you've made your decision, simply select that cryptocurrency from your assets. This will take you to a detailed view of that particular crypto. Once you've selected your cryptocurrency, look for the sell button and tap on it. At this point, you'll need to select your local currency. This is the currency in which you'd like to receive the proceeds from your sale. Remember to check the exchange rates and any fees that might apply, as this can affect the final amount you receive. Once you've sold your crypto, head over to the My Assets section again and select your cash balance. This is your balance in fiat currency, reflecting the proceeds from your recent sale. From here you can select cash out or withdraw. This is where you'll start the actual process of moving money into your bank account. If you haven't linked a payment method yet, now is a good time to do so. Simply follow the prompts to add your bank details or other payment methods. After this, choose your linked bank account or payment method for the transfer. You can typically select from several options depending on what you've set up previously. Finally, you will need to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Take this moment to double check the details to avoid any mistakes or errors. Once you've done that, confirm the transaction. You might receive a confirmation email or a notification once everything goes through, but rest assured the funds will be on their way to your chosen payment method. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully cash out of your Coinbase account, making the entire process smooth and efficient. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos for more helpful tips.